Placing the sound right behind where your fingers are pinching the nose.
Okay. That was low. Okay.
That was better. Yeah, that was way better.
Yeah,
That sounded way
yeah.
more controlled. It had a really nice height to it, and it had better airflow. That's what I
Yeah.
love with that raspberry.
You can just start from, and you play till it's perfect, and just feeling like you have a bit more space in the back of your mouth. You're letting the words service you, as opposed to you just being privy to the words, yeah?
Yeah.
You play till it's perfect, you play till you wake, yeah?
You play till it's perfect. You play till you wake. You
Great,
play
now can we try
till...
singing that? Lovely. Let's try singing that this time, yeah? And you play, yeah?
And you play till it's perfect. You play till you ache. You play till the strings on your fingernails break.
Nice. How did that feel? That sounded a lot easier for you.
A lot easier, yeah.
Yes. Yeah, precisely. You love to see it.
Don't come back for me. Who do you think you are?
So to get your vocal folds a little more decompressed and to get your air a little more running for that slightly higher key, why don't we blow some cup bubbles? I'm gonna demonstrate it first. Right? Puff out your cheeks, relax your throat, and you blow the chorus. And so forth, right? And you want to just like make sure that your aperture is like round and your cheeks are puffed out. And now let's try to sing the chorus again and see if you can feel a difference, and if so, just describe it, right?
Tearing love apart, you're gonna catch a cold from the ice inside your soul. Don't come back for me. Who do you think you are?
How did that go?
I would say it was easier to sing it this time. I feel like because I wasn't straining it as much.
Right, because we're like releasing more air, the vocal folds are decompressed, and yeah, you can totally use that aerodynamic energy to let your beautiful sound out and your beautiful voice ring.